What I love in Troy, the diversity of the people. I would say what Troy make it, the people. They all mix, different cultures, the schools, even the buildings.
It's one of the most beautiful cities that I've ever lived in, really. Like the character that it has like this very Brooklyn-y feel to it. Like I live on 2nd Street and the architecture is just absolutely stunning.
People who live here oftentimes also work and spend their time here. It's not just like a commuter city.
In Troy, I just have such a peaceful sense of being here. It's so beautiful.
One of I think the first Vietnamese restaurant to open in Troy. So if I'm gonna represent the food of my people, I wanna come out with like guns blazing, I wanna represent my people well. I've worked for 20 years in San Francisco, kind of in the fine dining echelon. I've worked at numerous like Michelin-starred restaurants. I've pretty much been in the front of the house for a majority of my career, but I just had a passion for cooking. And then I would invite all my friends over to my apartment and just showcase what I learned. And every time everybody came over, I would open the door and I'd be like, "Welcome to Quang's Bistro," and everybody's like, "Oh, wow," And so all my friends were my guinea pigs.
My family from Mexico City, they have a business. I grew up in this type of business. In Mexico City, my father used to have the same place, and I come to USA, I was dishwasher. I always been in the food industry, like a restaurant business. And I like it, I love it. It's a lot of work, but every time I wake up and I'm happy to do it. And that will make it better.
I was moving back into the region in 2016 and had this vision of combining employment services for immigrants and refugees in a single space in a business and having English classes on site. And so at that point, all these pieces started coming together with the farm, so the food aspect, just me being back and having grown up in the capital region myself. So in 2016, that's when we decided to start Sunhee's. Of course, it's Korean cuisine, but there's also me as an individual being a Korean American and my particular set of experiences and what the dishes that my family and I share really mean to me. We appreciate our customers so much, and overall, I think the gratitude really trumps everything. But there are times of frustration where I want people to look at us and see past our food and beyond that.
It's so interesting. The more I travel and go all over the place, I'm like, you know what? Food is so much better in the capital region. Right? Because when we're here, we're like, I can't wait to get to whatever. I think that in the past 5 years, we've definitely grown more as a food scene, and there's been a lot more stuff happening. There's a certain level of comfort that I can go to Troy and go get a great slice of pizza, you can get a beef patty, you can get a taco, you can get Korean, like all of that stuff. At the end of the day, we want to eat something that's going to give us comfort, and we can get that in Troy.